Guys, welcome to my channel 5-minute product review. Now it's time to give my recommendation for the best massage gun that you can buy right now. The first one is Massage Gun Sportneer Deep Tissue Percussion Muscle Massager Gun for Pain Relief. Relieves muscles, aches and tightness. This deep tissue therapeutic percussion massage gun, engineered and tested for optimum efficiency by science expert, can alleviate muscle spasms, minimize and prevent muscle atrophy and improve blood circulation. It also helps alleviate myalgia pain, decreases muscle tension and can even improve exercise efficiency. Fitted with a 16.8V brushless motor and dual bearing construction. This 220W athlete massage gun features RPM up to 3200, providing deep penetrating relief to the muscles community. The Sportneer fitted D9 massage gun, made for premium material, will last for years of use and misuse. Designed for portability. This massage gun may be small, but it made for big thing, perfect to use at the 3400 mAh rechargeable built-in lithium battery is the absolute embodiment of on-the-go relaxing, allowing you to experience 2 to 6 hours of the wonder of this percussion massager. Better still, a 10-minute auto of mode to stop all the soothing goodness from overheating and burning. The second one is Handheld Massage Gun Handheld Muscle Massager for Pain Relief. Professional massage gun headache help heal the body faster. The rechargeable battery has a long running period up to 3 to 6 hours, so you don't have to change it at all. 20 speed, a simple way to change the speed you like. The operational noise is just 34 dB to 54 dB. For various muscle groups, it comes with 6 different heads. The anti-drop causing lightweight body and ergonomic design will hold the massage gun in good condition when falling. The last one is Power Pro 5000 Ultra Massage Gun. Your mind can be awoken by the massage gun, revitalize your spirit and leave your body healthier and shaper than ever. It may also leave sore, tender and aching muscles and joints. The 6-speed strength level of this neck massager will help you to get the right and sufficient amount of pressure to alleviate your muscle pain. Quietest massage method with a high torque motor and 3 adjustable speed settings using unique white light technology that deliver up to 3200 percussion per minute. Lightweight 2.2 lbs for myofascial release, ergonomic and easy to use. Lithium-ion rechargeable battery up to 3 hours of usage per charge. I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.